Imagine if you could learn anything faster. Languages, skills, subjects, even new habits. What would you do with that kind of power? In the next few minutes, you're going to discover 5 science-backed techniques that can literally rewire your brain for faster, smarter learning. Ready? Let's go. Technique 1. Spaced repetition. Here's the deal. Cramming doesn't work. It tricks you into thinking you've learned something until you forget it a few days later. Enter spaced repetition, a method where you review information over gradually increasing intervals. Day 1, then day 3, day 7, day 14, and so on. This spacing creates stronger neural connections. Your brain says, "Oh, this must be important. Let's keep it." Use apps like Anki or simple index cards. Mastery isn't about repetition, it's about timing. Technique 2. Active recall. Most people read something, highlight it, and move on. That's passive. And guess what? Passive learning is slow and forgettable. Active recall flips that. Instead of reviewing, you test yourself. No notes, no looking. Close the book. Ask yourself, what did I just learn? Try to recall it out loud or write it down. It feels harder, but that's the point. The effort makes it stick. Your brain grows stronger through struggle. Technique 3. The Feynman Technique. If you can't explain it simply, you don't really understand it. That's the heart of the Feynman Technique, named after legendary physicist Richard Feynman. Step 1. Pick the topic. Step 2. Pretend you're teaching it to a 10-year-old. Step 3. Identify what you don't fully get. Step 4. Go back, learn it deeper, and simplify again. It forces clarity, and clarity equals speed. The simpler you can say it, the better you know it. Technique 4. Interleaved Practice. Practice one thing over and over and you'll feel like a genius, until the test shows up and you freeze. Interleaved practice means mixing different topics or skills in a single study session. It might feel messy, but that confusion, it's productive. Your brain has to work harder to switch gears. That effort builds flexibility, and flexibility means deeper learning. Mix it up. Math, then writing, then flashcards. Guitar scales, then chords, then songs. Random is smarter than routine. Technique 5. The Pomodoro Technique. Focus is fuel. But staring at a screen for 2 hours straight, that's burnout. Here's a better way. The Pomodoro Technique. 25 minutes of focused work. 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer break. It trains your brain to sprint, not slog. You'll get more done in less time and feel less drained doing it. Turn off your phone, set a timer, go. Use them, combine them, make them part of your routine. Because faster learning isn't a gift, it's a system. And now you've got the blueprint.